there is so much of noise from all unnecessary corners. One side, enemies of Hinduism, traitors of Hinduism. Hindu enemies and Hindu traitors. The other side, intellectual, but not experienced, enlightened. Those intellectuals who are well read, but not enlightened, Pandits. They speak only for their vested interests, not for the truth. Understand? Those people are also creating this huge noise about, oh, Vedanta is separate, Siddhanta is separate. We should constantly keep the fight. See, there are different levels of attackers. Some simple trolls, they make fun, tease, lie, abuse, put all false accusation. Haters. Then there are some level people, just trolls, just because they want to gain likes, comments, shares in the Facebook or YouTube or in social media. They just troll. Some trying to make some comedy. Personal attack. Some try to do personal attack. All kinds goes on. Some try to intellectually attack. Oh, what he is teaching is not right. I'll listen. One of the biggest arguments they try to use to attack me is Vedanta is different. Siddhanta is different. Be very clear. Paramashiva answers this whole issue in this one verse. Kamikagama. Vedasarartakam tantram tasmat vaidigam acharet. Vedantartamayam jnanam siddhantam paramam subham. Here ends all the problems, questions, attacks done on me. Paramashiva has answered it. The Agamas are the essence of the Vedas. Highly auspicious Siddhanta is the enlightening true understandings from Vedanta. Vedattin sarame agamam. Vedattin வாழ்க்கை முறையே ஆகமம். வேதாந்தத்தின் உண்மையான அர்த்தத்தை வழங்கும் ஞானமே மிக உயர்ந்த சுபமான சித்தாந்தம். Just like enemies of Hinduism and traitors of Hinduism attacked me, even the so-called intellectuals of Hinduism have attacked me. Especially with this one idea, Vedanta is separate, Siddhanta is separate. Paramashiva solves that problem once and for all in this one verse. Vedasarartakam tantram tasmat vaidigam acharet. Vedantartamayam jnanam siddhantam paramam subham. So last 27 years of my hard work is in one line, one sink. No one can question me intellectually. The spiritual authority of me and my words, what I am teaching, what I was teaching, I am teaching, I am going to teach. Last 26 years, all the scriptures related to Vedas, means Upanishads. Then Agamas. In Agama, different Agamas, like Kamika Agama, Karana Agama, and Agamic scriptures, like Kashmir Shaivites books, Shiva Sutras, Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Spandakarika, all various Vedic books and Vedantic books, like Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita, Agama, Kamika Agama, Karana Agama, and Agamanta, the agamic literatures, like Siddhanta literatures in Kashmira Shaivism, in South Indian Saiva Siddhantam and Veera Shaivam. I have elaborately spoken, commented, revived many of the scriptures. In last 26 years, fortunately, much is recorded and available in the video record form or in audio form, multiple ways. One of the major attack I face in my life from the intellectual pundits is that Vedanta is separate, Siddhanta is separate. How can he connect everything? Understand? Paramashiva has come to my rescue to protect me, to prove I am right through this verse. The intellectual pundits who have a lot of political influence in India, who are decision makers, they were ready to cut my head, but they are not ready to sit and talk to me. They just want to finish me off. They don't want to listen. They don't even want these Shastra references because they are not interested in truth. They are interested more in political power. So using Hinduism for political gains. So they don't really want to get into the spiritual depths of Hinduism. The most unfortunate thing is, enemies of Hinduism also attacked me. Traitors of Hinduism also attacked me. The dry intellectuals who use Hinduism only for political gain, but does not bother about the spiritual depth of Hinduism or spiritual truths of Hinduism also attacked me. This verse, I feel directly Paramashiva himself comes and defends me, legitimizes the work I am doing for last 27 years, little more than 26 years, from 1994. Because if you see, one side I'll be doing Chandi Homa, the other day I'll be giving commentary on Bhagavad Gita, one day I will be giving commentary on Upanishad, one day I will be speaking on Kamika Agama, one day I will be speaking on the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra and Shiva Sutra and Spandakarika of Kashmira Shaivism. One day I will be speaking on all the Saiva Siddhanta scriptures, the great Saiva Siddhantic scriptures. Veda and Vedanta, Agama and Agamanta. In all these four fields, I have spoken so much on all the scriptures. I want all of you to know all four, Veda and Vedanta, Agama and Agamanta, all four is focused on one goal, enlightenment, Paramashivatva, Paramashiva Sayujyam. Different methods, methodologies. to manifest the state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, superconsciousness of Paramashiva, Kailasa of Paramashiva. Understand? Today I feel directly blessed by Paramashiva. Through this verse, he has legitimized my teachings of last 26 years.